Don't drop your phone.
Fuck, I'd be so pissed.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
What the? How does my car look? Hopefully it's not terrible. You alright, sir? Yeah, if you want to throw it on the desk over there. What do you guys think?
You might as well just leave it at this point.
Are you fucking kidding me? The cars, really? Oh, that shit's flooded.
You might as well leave it at this point.
Yeah. What are you filming? Oh. Captain Jacob's car.
It's about to just float away.
Like his shit just got fucking ransacked. You open that door and it just... Oh yeah, I want to get a picture of this shit. Fucking people up there. Oh my god, yo. He's making it. Let's go swimming! Look at it. He's making it. Shit. Who want to teach me?
I gotta get it.
So let's go. I can't believe he made it.
Yes.
Come off the ground. Oh, fuck, look at that. That car just like got slowed down. He was fucking hauling ass through it. Yeah. I really wish I had my truck.
Yeah, no shit, right? I need a four-wheeler. I would kill a four-wheeler.
That's at least a good 3 feet.
That car isn't gonna start in the morning. Over the tail. Holy shit. Where's Itchy's car? That's fucking crazy.
Itchy got his out just in time.
I'm glad we're down. I was gonna say his car was gonna be underwater. Low as that bitch. It's gonna be the white, that fucking white prelude. I'm bad at that thing.
You're good, sorry, you're good because you're on a hill. So it's like going right past it.
I'm ready, man. I'm getting ready to fucking go out there. I need that thing fucking flooding. Let him out the window. This one's fucked. I think I might back it up a little bit.
Fucking. Sorry, cramped in him.
Which one's his?
That's starting K's right here.
What's it, right? Really? That's like... I saw this shit. Look at fucking. Sounds like a fucking star, man. I don't think that car's gonna get fucking stuck, man. Exactly.
It's not gonna take too long before these two here start floating.
Exactly. Hey! I can't see no picture.
Hey, what are you doing out there?
It's not flooded in the car, is it?
Oh, it's in the car.
Are you serious?
Well, I guess I'm going to the back gate today.
Damn.
Good old Okinawa, Japan. Typhoon rolls through, we get nothing. It rains today and it floods the entire fucking squadron.
It's like he in a fucking boat.
And like they keep driving, they're pushing more water out of there.
Well, the canal over there is flooded anyway, so it's just gonna keep coming down anyways.
Damn.
Hey, you want to go swim?
I'm good. You black, you don't swim anyways. Get out of here, crazy.
I want you to teach me, though. Perfect time to teach me right now.
Wow, no comment.
Not in this dirty shit.
Come on, dog. The ponds y'all used to swim in like this, doesn't it? Let me see this other culvert. Okay,
Hold on.